Do you want to be a successful intraday trader? Intraday trading is about being in and out of trades in a few minutes to half an hour. And to be successful, there are certain things that you need to know. The best markets, the best time frames, the best times of the day, and the best strategies. It's all about having the right things in place to maximize your likelihood of achieving your financial goals. And when you get it right, there is nothing more efficient with your time and your money. And that's what my live webinars are all about. My name is Adrian Buthee and I head the Trendsignal trading team based at the UK's Cranfield University Technology Park, where we've taught over 10,000 traders since 2003. We have an excellent rating on Trustpilot and are proud to have won Best Trading Education Provider at this year's ADVFN International Financial Awards. At our intraday trading webinar, I'm going to teach you my favorite trading strategies and my clear rules to identify optimal trade entry points and the framework I then follow to manage my trades on the 1 minute, the 2 and the 5 minute charts. And because it's a live webinar, with any luck, we might even call a live trade too. No complex analysis, no making it up as you're going along. We're going to let technology and algorithms do a lot of the hard work for us. So this all sounds of benefit to you and you'd like to fast track your results with some proven trading strategies, then you need to attend my intraday trading webinar. Register your free place at my next live webinar event and get one step closer to achieving your financial goals. So book your free place now and I'll see you in there.